Bostik PanelTack system has a proven 25-year track record, installed on thousands of commercial projects. The installation process is quite simple. First, clean the aluminum substructure with primer PanelTack. Pre-treat the back of the panel with the appropriate primer or cleaner, depending on the type of panel. Apply Bostik's foam tape to the substructure. Apply the adhesive in a triangular bead with the aid of the V-shaped nozzle included with the adhesive. Remove the release paper on the foam tape. Put the panel in place and press it firmly into the adhesive. That's it. The project is finished. For more information on this and many other Bostik solutions, please visit our website or call your Bostik representative.